So I'll be showing you how to activate and deactivate the multifunctional module for tracking and video recording on the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So you can see my gimbal is here and I have everything set up. I have enough battery to keep the multifunctional module on. So you can see it's currently on and in standby mode by that red light. Okay, that's the indicator for that. So now, as long as this gimbal or this little module is facing you with a sensor, you can actually use hand gestures completely hands-free. So if you give it the high five symbol like that, it turns green and it starts tracking you. Okay, so you can see it's tracking me, and I could do this even with the back camera. All I have to do is just turn the multifunctional module to face the same direction as the back camera is facing. So now that it's tracking, if I want to start recording, I just give it the peace sign. You'll see it blink yellow 3 times and it's gonna start recording completely hands-free. Okay, now when I'm done recording, I can stop, or I can just stop the tracking during the recording. So I can stop the tracking by giving the high five gesture. It's still recording. Now when I want to stop recording, I can just give it the peace sign and it's gonna stop recording. So it's really that simple. Now, alternatively, especially if you're using the back camera and you're holding the gimbal in your hand and maybe you want to track someone, you can use the trigger. Okay, so this is a trigger button, and if you press it once, this one right here, this is a trigger button. So just put your finger there, and when you press it once, it starts tracking. It's going to track whatever is in the middle of the frame by default, and as you can see, it's currently tracking me. And I can press it again and it's going to stop tracking. So those are the 2 ways you can activate or deactivate the multifunctional module on your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.